Okay, I'm just showing you the before here. I've got a leaf table, thinking about either giving it away or selling it, but it's got a bad leaf, and I feel bad knowing that I can fix woodworking issues like this if I give it away without fixing it. Um, and, you know, it doesn't hurt to make a video about this stuff. So I'm just going to take some quick bond, and I'm going to run it in this joint, and I'm going to wiggle it until it's set, and then I'm going to do some clamping to hopefully get it aligned so we can lock it in, and then I'm going to watch some football. Okay, so this is not going to be super complicated. I'm just going to put some glue in here, running the length of the split. And hopefully it will dribble down. I'm actually gonna wipe this off, and I'm gonna flip it over. Let me grab a rag. You can see it here. Trust me, I'm putting glue down on the other side. And it's not the nicest table, so I'm not doing the nicest job I could possibly do. Just trying to get it to be a bit more presentable for the next owner. So something like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe away all the extra glue here before it starts to pile up and get sticky and weird on the surface. Just a little bit of water. Titebond's a water-based glue. And so the important thing is the alignment. So I'm going to use I'm going to use kind of an extra long reach Craig clamp. I think if I put this in the middle here, that locks up the center. And then I just have to get this part lined up here. I think I can do that. It's in my clamp box. I think I just use a cheapo here. And so that, I think, is going to align everything. Now I take one of these guys and I squish everything together. And then another one farther down the road for luck. I'd actually release this one. Yeah, that'll help line it up. And then I'm going to put another one back here, but you get the general idea. Okay, so here's the final clamping situation. I think it's pretty well aligned there. It's aligned pretty well here. And then it should be tight. I've got some decent glue squeeze out, which I cleaned up with a rag. And so, yeah, I'm just going to throw 4 clamps across and get my alignment clamps in position. Table's not worth anything really, but I hate to get rid of a piece of furniture that, like I said, is in need of a little bit of repair or tune-up when I can do this and fix it up. Okay, time to pull the clamps off here. Start here at the bottom. Work my way up. And it looks to be pretty good. About as bad as the rest of the leaf. So yeah, I'm gonna say that's a done deal.